Hey there, fellow hustlers. Welcome to another episode of The Financial Wolf. I'm your host, Cooper, and today we're diving into the world of Instagram theme pages and exploring how you can turn a theme page into a money-making powerhouse. But before we begin, I need you to click that subscribe button and leave a like. All right, let's dive into it. Step 1. It's time for you to pick a niche. Choose a niche that resonates with your passions and interests, whether it's traveling, fashion, gaming, cars, or sports. Just make sure it's something you love. Here is an example of a football theme page. As you can see, this creator has built a huge following, and his page has a lot of engagement. Step 2. Look at pages within your niche, and look what type of content does well. Look at their editing, their captions, their song choices, and their hashtags. This will give you insights that can be helpful and that can boost your chances of getting a viral video. Another tip is to keep up with news and big events within your niche in order to post relevant content. This will give your page a competitive edge. Step 3. Create the content. Start by downloading CapCut on your phone. It is a free editing software that will make the editing process smooth and easy. Then search for videos you would like to edit on YouTube and TikTok, and download these to your phone. Edit the videos in CapCut and save them. It doesn't necessarily have to be videos. You can even post simple photos or memes. Step 4. Post the content and make sure that everything is on point, such as your captions and your hashtags. Also make sure that you post multiple times a week. This will increase your chances of gaining followers and getting viral posts. Step 5. After you have gained a respectable amount of followers, you can start monetizing your page. How, you might ask? Well, one way is sponsored posts. Reach out to companies and other pages that might benefit from you sharing their content. And in some cases, they will even reach out to you. Companies in your niche will pay you to feature their products or services in your posts. It's like being the star of a cool ad, and you get paid for it. Just make sure the product aligns with your theme and resonates with your audience. Another way is by selling shirts or other merchandise. This can be done with print on demand. You can even do affiliate marketing where you share links to products with your followers and earn a commission every time they buy something. The last way that I'm going to share with you today is selling your page. Someone else that wants to start something similar can benefit from this, as your page already has followers and engagement. And there you have it. Instagram theme pages can earn you some serious cash. You just have to stay consistent. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more side hustles, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Until next time, Cooper, signing out.